All right, so this video isn't to brag or anything. This is just me giving you guys an update on the YouTube channel in addition to doing what I don't do very often. I just want to thank you guys. I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me within the last year of me actually trying to do something with this YouTube channel, and every view, every like, every comment, I appreciate all of it, and I just want to say thank you. So last month I had my highest earning month ever. For the whole month, I generated over $700 just off of YouTube ad revenue. So in this video, I just want to show you guys some of the stuff that I'm buying just to improve the YouTube channel, in addition to what I've mostly been doing with the revenue that I generate from the YouTube channels. So one of the things I got for the YouTube channel is this tripod. Right now I am recording this with my Sony 6000. I've had that camera and I have my tripod that I've been using previously. This is going to be a stationary shot. I have it connected to my computer, and it's just going to make the video filming process a lot easier for me because I have a very good source of audio here, and when I'm on the go, I have this Rode video mic at the very top. And this is basically going to be my vlogging setup or whenever I want shots outside. But the majority of the shots while I'm editing or something, if I just want to throw in a quick clip, I could just turn on this camera, hit record, and this is the background that you're going to see for those shots. And if I'm very low on time, I could just record a video with this particular setup and add a bunch of B-roll. So these tripods themselves are, to me, relatively expensive. They're around 60 bucks. So I spent some of that money on this tripod. The camera equipment I've already purchased in the past with previous YouTube ad revenue and all this. I would not have any of this if it weren't for my YouTube channel, so very thankful for that. In addition to actually buying stuff for the YouTube channel, I decided to actually open up a brokerage account on Robinhood, and I've been purchasing some stock just due to the market dip that is currently happening. So I have 2 shares of McDonald's, which is valued at this point in time at about $170 something. Share of Walmart, share of Target. Walmart's about $113 per share at the moment. Target's about $100. And I also have a Vanguard ETF that's currently valued at $245. If you guys want to start investing in stock or at least get a free stock, feel free to use my Robinhood affiliate link in the description below. So me and my wife enjoy camping, and we're going to be doing some home projects around the house. So we just bought a used truck, and this would not be possible if it weren't for the revenue that I've been bringing in off of my online businesses. Like if it weren't for YouTube, if it weren't for eBay, if it weren't for Amazon affiliate links, we most likely would not have this truck. So I'm gonna give you a tour of the truck that we just bought. All right, so here we have the truck. Let me just show you guys the side view real quick. I'm not gonna show you a direct view of the back just due to the license plate. So just a 2-seater. It is a 2001 Ford F-150. As you can see, both sides are really clean here. And I'm going to show you the inside as well, but let me just show you guys the bed real quick. So this is the first truck I ever owned, so I'm not too sure of the terminology and everything, but this is a short bed, and this nifty little thing here, once you drop down this door here, you could just flip it and then it makes it a full-size bed, which is pretty awesome. I mean, and also I could take that thing off if needed. And let's show you guys inside real quick. Very standard automatic windows here. A nice little storage area in the back that I can't seem to get to with one hand. Well, you could basically see it right here. It's just this little huge compartment, and I do believe it's on both sides. I haven't checked the other side yet, and I just realized I ruined my perfect seating arrangement that I had the other day. It took me a little while to figure out. So let's just go in and sit inside so that neighbors aren't staring, wondering what I'm doing. So it has 107,000 miles on it. Here's where you turn on the lights. And like I said, this is the first truck I've ever purchased, so I've never actually owned a truck. So to me, this is all new and exciting and very fun. Nice little compartment here in the middle. And obviously glove box, pretty standard I mean, just wanted to give you guys an overview of like the inside, what it looks like. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen vehicles before, but just showing you guys a bunch of different parts of it. I'm not even sure what this is supposed to be for. What is this? Huh. Didn't even notice that while we were looking at the vehicle, but it shows me which direction I'm going up here, and then this is where the clock is. And I wonder if this will be a good angle for videos. I'm gonna test something out here. That is not a good angle whatsoever. So we're not gonna be using for that, but just for transportational purposes. But yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys because I'm super pumped, super excited about this vehicle. Again, I can't stress enough, thank you guys so much for the support. I've actually started to upload videos onto my secondary channel, which I'm currently trying to get partnered. I just need the watch time on that channel. So if you want to watch videos of me talking about current events, feel free to click on my news playlist and check out a couple of those videos. Help me out with the watch time a little bit, and I appreciate you. If you want to know how I've been making about $20 a day, I'll leave an annotation on the screen. So in addition to my regular content, I'll be producing probably one tutorial a week or a tutorial every 2 weeks, because those are primarily the videos that have been driving views to this channel. So if you would like to continue to support me and you see one of those videos pop up, feel free to just click on it. And if you engage on the video by hitting like or commenting, it helps out the channel so much and allows me to continue making videos for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for 13,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys later.